Hello everybody, my name is Abhineet Dhara and today what I am going to explain is why a rainbow is curved. Now you all have seen a rainbow in the sky and you have saw that it is a arc. In my previous experiment also I showed you how to make a rainbow and in that also it was a circular arc on my wall. So to explain that what I am going to need is a pen and my paper. Now let's see means why a rainbow is curved. Okay, now if we have suppose a water droplet right here, because yesterday I already explained why how can we see a rainbow, so I am not going deep into that. The sun is come here, the light is coming here, the light is refracting, it's reflecting and the light is coming back to our eyes. This is the light which we see as a rainbow. Now if we see, if suppose the light does not hit here and if the light, now this is just some extra information for you to know, and the light hits in between, then the light is just going to go, it's not going to refract or reflect any light. But if the light hits somewhere right here, then there will be some diffraction, then some reflection, and then it will again come to our eyes. Now if I draw that diagram again neatly, here's a water droplet, the sunlight is coming here, then it's refracting, then it's reflecting, and then this is the end product which we see. Now the sunlight or the rainbow light is most intensely seen in the angle of 40 to 42 degrees from this ray, which is the ray which is going in, and the transmitted ray. Now to show that, if I draw a parallel line to this ray like so, which is parallel, so this angle will be this angle, and if I draw this, now this angle, if it's 40 to 42 degrees, then the rainbow is most intense. Now but in the nature, is there only one droplet? No, there are many more droplets. So if I just take this and reflect this down, so if we take this, we do it, and then we draw the circle, then this is the ray which is going in, this is the refraction, and this is the reflection of the light. What I did now is just reflected it. You see, this is the same geometrics, except these are not just the two possibilities. So because I drew it in a paper, this is a 2D figure. But if this was 3D, 42 degrees can be anywhere. It can be here, it can be here, here. And now, if I tell that in my previous experiment, I showed that if I turn my eye or the torch in the case down or up, the rainbow disappears. Now why is that? Now that is because, as I said, the rainbow is most intense in 40 to 42 degrees. If I look at 37 degrees, 46 degrees, 39 degrees, the rainbow will not come because the light of the rainbow is too weak. But as I said, that is only for one drop. But because there are many drops, 42 degrees is everywhere. Let me explain by using a cone. Now if you see this normal, the line which I drew, which has 40 to 42 degrees angle within the incident ray. Now if we take the normal in between of the cone, and the angle from at the center of the cone to this edge is 40 to 42 degrees. Just take it like that. Now if we take the cone and we draw any line on it, just any line, any straight line, so the angle from the center to this line will always be from 40 to 42 degrees. Whether I draw it here, or anywhere on this cone, the line from the center to the edge will be always 42 degrees. Now if we take this and we have a raindrop here, 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 anywhere on the cone. The light which will be reflecting will always be at 42 degrees. So whether we move our eye a little up or little down, we are still able to see the rainbow. Now the raindrops are not only here, but the raindrops can be here or even here. Not raindrops, I mean water drops. The raindrops can be here, 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 and again here, 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 here. Not only here, but in that direction I am saying. And because of that, a rainbow is always a circle. But a rainbow is a circle. But because we are standing on the ground horizontally, we only see an arc on the sky which is a rainbow. But in nature, the rainbow is a full circle and the rest of the part is invisible to us. And this is why a rainbow is curved. Now you also might be wondering why the rainbow is the most intense at 40 to 42 degrees. Now that is because the rainbow is made up of white light. That means the light which consists of all the 7 colors of the Vibgyor: violet, orange, red, indigo, blue, green, everything. And different colors have different wavelength. And the largest wavelength of them all is of the red, and the shortest wavelength of them all is of the violet. So when the angle of the white light reaching to our eyes is more to 40 degrees, then the most vibrant or the most attractive color will be our violet. But if it is on 42 degrees, then our most intense or the most attractive color will be on red. So that is why 40 to 42 degrees is the range for the most intense rainbow. Thank you so much for watching my experiment. I hope you liked it.